Good day all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about new spreadsheet feature in Odoo 40. So this is an easy reporting tool that allows us to create reports that are automatically updated without worrying about exporting data. So data analysis can be done real time, and whenever a new change is added in your report, it can be added and automatically updated in a spreadsheet. So spreadsheet is a widely used reporting tool, and that is which allows us to modify data that is according to your business needs, and it is adaptable, and there are a lot of formatting options available. So this feature can be seen in pivot view of your reports. So first of all, we have to ensure that related modules are installed. So just go to App Store, and there you can search for spreadsheets. So just close apps filter, and when you search for spreadsheet, okay, so here we can see document spreadsheet, spreadsheet for spreadsheet accounting templates, spreadsheet CRM templates, and one more we have, that is a Google spreadsheet. That is another one. That is, if you want to insert reports to Google spreadsheet, you can use this module. Okay, and here you can also find a module to manage documents of a company. That is, we have a documents module. And we have done a separate video explaining about documents in Odoo 40. So don't forget to watch that video. Okay. Now let's come back to our apps, and from here. Now let me demonstrate this feature using some examples. Okay, so first let me open sales module, and so this is the sales management module in Odoo, and now here we have a reporting, that is sales analysis report. Okay, so we can analyze the sales done in a company, and for the sales analysis report we have a dashboard view, then we have graph view and pivot view. So okay, now if you open pivot view, here we can see a pivot table. So by default in our sales analysis report, you can see the total orders, total count, total orders, total untaxed amount, and total amount for each category, each product category. And you can also see that is option to choose different measures. So if you want to see margin, total margin for each category, then total quantity delivered, total quantity invoiced, total quantity ordered, and untaxed amount invoiced. So you can see different measures can be selected from here, and it is added as a column here. And it is also possible to filter and group this report. That is, we have a lot of filtering options. So if you want to view only quotations, you can choose the quotations. So here we are analyzing the sale orders done in a company, and it is filtered by sale orders and order date. And if you want to group this report by salesperson, you can do it from here, and you can also group this by sales team, product, customer, order date. So there are a lot of grouping options, and we can also compare. That is, we can compare order with, that is, previous period and previous year. Okay. And if you want to flip axis or expand all, you can do it from here. So after adding the required filtrations and grouping, you can just insert this report on spreadsheet. So you can find that option here. So this option can be seen for reports having pivot view. So in Odoo, most of the reports have pivot view. Like we have purchase analysis report, CRM pipeline analysis, invoice analysis report, then budget analysis, etc. So you can make use of this option to add updated reports on spreadsheet. Okay, so from here, just click on Insert in Spreadsheet. So before that, let me add some changes on this report. So let's consider an example of providing commission to partners for salesperson for selling some products. That is, if a product is sold, some percentage of sales price can be given as a commission to those partners. Okay, so from here, let me group this by product. Okay, so here we can see the products and the total count, total sale orders done, total amount, quantity delivered, quantity invoiced. And from here we can also filter this by sales team. So we can see, we group this by salesperson. Okay, so here you can see for each product, the salesperson and the total order done, total count of orders. Okay, now let me filter this report by a particular product. So I'm adding a custom filter. So here I can set a filter that I need to view the report of product cabinet with doors, and if I click apply, here you can see for the product total sale done by Mark Demo and Michelin. So these two are our salespersons, and here we can see the total amount, then quantity delivered, quantity invoiced. Okay, so let me remove that. I only want to see these details. Okay, now let me click on Insert in Spreadsheet. And here you can find option to select an already existing spreadsheet, and you can add this report in that, or you can create a new one. So I'm going to create a new one. Just click confirm, and here you can see that spreadsheet added, and if you want to edit the name of the spreadsheet, you can edit from here. So sales analysis. Okay, so the name is changed, and here we can see cabinet with doors. So details are added to the sheet. So a spreadsheet provides a lot of options. That is, we have a lot of formatting options, conditional formatting option. So we can identify critical issues, add filtrations based on date, relations, text. So here we can make this salesperson name bold. We can set the color. Set color for the salespersons, and we can set different color for this product. And if you want to highlight a particular column, you can just do this from here. So we can change the background, we can fill color for a different column, and we can change the size, style. So there are different options. So you can find that these formatting options from here, and you can find that conditional formatting. You can add rules here. We can apply the range. So here we can select rules and add formatting style. Okay, change the formatting style, and we can also insert rows, columns, chart, new sheet to this spreadsheet. And here we can also see editing options, and we can make copy or sales template. And here under view you can also see the formulas. So that is used for computing the values for each cell. So when you click on the show formulas, you can see the formulas for formulas here. Okay. Now if I want to add here, if I want to add commission to salesperson, so here I'm adding a column, sales commission, and okay, so here for mark demo and initial admin, I want to add some commission. I'm deciding to add 10% of sales price, total price as commission to both of this salesperson. So for that I can go to show formulas, and okay, so here we can see the formula used for each cell to compute value, and we can just copy this to here. So I want to compute the sales commission as 10% of the sales price, total price. Okay, so we have added formula for that, and now when you come back by adding formulas, you can see that sales commission is computed as 10% of our total price. Okay. Now from here, if you want to filter this by date, so here we can set time range default value, and we can filter this report by date and then by relation. So we can see the related model, and we can filter by label, and you can also filter this report by text. Okay, so if I need a yearly report, and here I can set default value. So I need to view the report of year 2021, and I can save this. Okay, so here I have to add other filtrations like order date, so you can make sure that you have viewed a report of year 2021, and if you want to change the year, you can just change from here, year 2020. So there are no reports. Okay, so this is done. Now when you check the documents module, Okay, so here we can see a workspace spreadsheet, and you can find there are two reports already added. One is sales analysis cabinet with doors that we have just created, and other one you can see there is a budget report, budget analysis report, quarterly report. Okay, so you can see the date of creation of the report, and from here we can schedule activities. So when you click on this report, here we can see name of the report, we can see the owner, workspace, you can add tags, and you can also perform some actions. So here when you click on this report, you can see that spreadsheet here. And again, if you want to make any changes, you can do from here. And you can see for sales person mark demo, it is count 3, and for Michelin you can see it is 3. Okay, now let's make another sale order for the same product, cabin with doors. Okay, so you can select the customer, and here we can see salesperson Michelin. You can change from here. Okay, then here we can add the product, our product cabinet with doors, and okay, so if you want to change the unit price, you can change from here. Okay, now let's confirm the sale order. And if you check the documents module, when you again open the report, here we can see automatically the data is updated. You can see the number of orders is changed to 4, that is count is changed to 4. You can see the total amount changed. You can see the commission changed. So data is automatically updated. Okay, now let's check another example from our sales module. Okay, let's go back into reporting, sales analysis report, and there. Okay, so if I want to view the sales done by salesperson on different countries. Okay, so here we can see these are the product categories, and now we can group this report by salesperson, sales team, customer, and customer country. Okay, so here we can see mark demo have done, you can see total count of sale orders 31, and in country Europe you can see it is 9, and here we can see the customer name, then the country. And if you want to add the details, that is you want to see the products confirmed, that is you can just choose a grouping option product from here. Okay, so I just want to see the sale orders done on different countries. Okay, let me create another sale order. And here we can choose our customer. Okay, so if I choose customer, you can see the country is he's from Germany. Okay. Now here let me add a product. Okay, so for this product rower black, you can see sale order is confirmed. Okay, so let me group this again by sales team, salesperson, customer and customer country. Okay, so here we can see sale is done from the country to the country Germany. And from here we can insert this report on spreadsheet. And if you want to add any formatting, you can add from here and you can save this. Okay, so document is added. Now if you check our documents module, here we can see that report added. Okay, so if you open this, you can see that. So in the same way, we can make a report from, that is add reports to spreadsheet from different other modules. So if you take the case of accounting, in accounting we have different reports like here when you come below, you can see that we have invoice analysis report and analytical report, budget analysis report. So if I open invoice analysis, here we can see all the invoices created. So we have different measures available, and along with this graph view, we have a pivot view. So when you open this pivot view, you can see that option to insert this invoice analysis report to spreadsheet. So here we can see for each month the total amount invoiced. So from here we can change the measure to product quantity. So total quantity invoiced on January and February 2021, and okay, you can see it is filtered now by partner. So you can see the total amount invoiced for partner here. And if you want to view the company, you can do that. Then status. So here you can see open invoice. And you can insert this again on spreadsheet. So visually representing data helps us to understand data easier and quicker and with clarity. And you can find that report here. And if you want to create a new spreadsheet from this documents module, you can also do by clicking on this create spreadsheet. And here you can choose a spreadsheet, a template, and you can create a new one. So here you can see different templates like budget report monthly, sales commission. So you can choose one. So I have choose MRR, pipeline report. You can see revenue report. So this is monthly revenue report by team 2021. You can see each month in year 2021 for each sales team, the monthly recurring revenue, non-recurring revenue. You can see the actual, target, performance in percentage and forecasted amount. Okay, so and for this spreadsheet you can see different sheets are added here. You can see the targets, revenue by salesperson, okay, so that's how we make use of this new spreadsheet feature in Odoo 14.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.